Hello there, this is Out Motorsports. My name is Jake and we are here in New York City for the official reveal of the Nissan Z. This is the successor to the Nissan 370Z that has been out for quite a while at this point, and that followed the 350Z. It was kind of a heavy evolution of the first 350Z platform. So obviously the Nissan Z car has quite a storied history, and it's really exciting to be here and see the next chapter of it. So very excited to see what the official car will look like. Nissan has teased this for quite some time now, but they have all but considered the Z prototype. So we will be seeing what the official production car will look like, and here's some of its specs. You can see behind me here we've got one of the very early 1970s 240Zs, and then inside the building for the event we've got a succession of Zs, including one that appears to have been driven at Summit Point and a bunch of other pretty famous historic racetracks. So with that, let's head inside and let's see what is up with the new Nissan Z. So we've seen the new Nissan Z. This is going to be coming out in spring of 2022 as a 2023 model, and they're all going to be powered by the same drivetrain. So this is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 making 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Nissan is committed to offering a 6-speed manual transmission with these cars, unlike the competitor Toyota Supra. So you will have a standard 6-speed manual, or you can have an optional 9-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Not a lot of details otherwise have been shared. I can confirm that the two cars here are both on 19-inch Rays forged wheels, which is a nice nod to past 350 and 370Zs, as well as the Infiniti G35. A lot of those cars had forged wheels. They're nice and strong for performance driving and track use, so really great to see that. As far as the interior, you've got a couple options here. The blue car here has a blue interior, which is really great. It's kind of a 70s throwback. And then the yellow car over that way has a black interior with some yellow striping. Apparently that is some sort of special proto edition. So you will see that there with the bronze raised wheels. Those are both 19-inch wheels, come with a Bridgestone tire on them. As far as interior stuff, otherwise you've got a standard digital gauge cluster, you've got a standard 8-inch center infotainment screen with an optional 9-inch infotainment screen otherwise. Got some good-looking seats. The seat controls are still on the inside of the seats, which is a throwback all the way back to the 350Z. And you'll notice some other controls shared with past Z cars. So kind of fascinating to see what's new, what's brought forward. And we're really hoping to get behind the wheel one of these as soon as we can, as soon as they're here in fleets. And we will have some sort of driving impressions for you here shortly.
Can we get a quick rev out of it? There's your pump. There's your pump.
That is all for this time. Thank you so much for joining us. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, please stay safe, be well. We'll see you again soon.